Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how to add baggage to your Cebu Pacific flight, even if you already booked your ticket without it. So first is you have to go to the official Cebu Pacific website or open the Cebu Pacific application. Alright, so after that, you just have to click on the manage option at the top. So this one, this is where you can update your flight details anytime before departure. So tap on the manage booking, and then you just have to scroll down and look for these options. So we have the booking reference number and your last name. So you have to enter your last name or email and booking reference number. So the full name or email in the booking must match your My Cebu Pacific account details. Okay, so after that, it will take you to another page. So since we don't have any flight yet, I cannot really take you there, but still, the next thing that you're going to do is to look for add-ons or baggage option. So you just have to tap on it once you're inside that section. Then you just have to choose how many kilos you want. So options usually include 20, 25, or 32 kilograms depending on the availability. So after selecting your baggage, just have to tap on continue and proceed to payment. And you can pay using cards, e-wallets, or online banking. And once the payment is successful, then you'll receive a confirmation email and your baggage will be added to your booking. And make sure to add your baggage at least 2 hours before your flight and do it early because it's much cheaper online than paying at and it's cheaper online than paying it at the airport. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.